This is significant because, as we've explained in many lectures, the syllable "ma."
Hey friends, this is a 72 or 73 Gran Torino.
So
I've been hired to
we see that Hermes, Mercury,
media blast it.
is
I've already done the fenders, the inner fenders, the
This is very significant.
I did some other parts to it, the front end parts, etc. But I've got to take it apart,
Which are one of his inventions.
completely blow it apart, hang the body
Pipes is a series of
in a
7
rotisserie,
cylindrical
take the frame off,
tubes,
or the body off the frame, I should say.
notes. And those 7 tubes or 7 passageways also have esoteric significance. Here we see, again, typical representations of Hermes. The image on the left is accompanied by a goat or a ram.
Pull the windows out, trim,
and also
everything.
a rooster. These are symbols that represent Hermes, which are very similar to the
Alrighty.
symbols that are used in modern times to represent Christ. Christ is represented by a lamb and also by a
Bring
rooster.
this up a little bit.
And again, the image on the right, we see the caduceus. The caduceus.
These were really cool cars back in the 70s.
Medical tradition.
There was a TV show called Starsky and Hutch where they had the 2 cops. They had a car like this. It was painted red with a white stripe right over the quarter panel.
To the military medical tradition.
See that trim right there along the wheel?
It's a single
In the quarter panel, the lower quarter panel, that's
caduceus.
very valuable trim, so I have to make sure that I retain that and don't damage it by when I take it all off.
These drawings here are the most modern versions. If you look at the Greek, they're very different. In any case, they all represent something significant. A single straight staff with 2 winding serpents on the sides, and at the top, wings. All of this represents something
Coil springs, wow,
spiritual,
interesting.
but in relation with our own
I never would have
selves,
guessed that.
in relation with our own inner physiology and psychology. What is typically known about Hermes are some basic facts that you need to understand this lecture. First is that the name Hermes comes from Hermeneus, which means the interpreter. The job of Hermes was to be the messenger of the gods. So he was famous.
Of course, the frame will be hung in a rotisserie and also media blasted.
Could convince people. In other words, he is related to the word, what in Greek is called the logos. The logos is related to the superior.
Lots of work, lots of work. Need some help.
This is first, second.
Need some help, but can't have any bozos. I'll pay you really well, but you cannot come in here and not know what to do. You'll be gone. You'll be out on your butt.
As such, Hermes is capable of traveling anywhere in the cosmos. It's one of the